This is it. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Yukon Striker. We drove all the way out here for this one. 245-foot drop, 80 miles per hour. World's tallest, longest, and fastest dive coaster. Times without raving in height, but length and speed, they got it. So, without further ado, let's get used to these Fast 9 Plus passes. Get it in. Just finished riding Yukon Striker. We got some fellas here representing Canada. So where you guys from?
Yeah, we're from Toronto. We're from Vaughan, right around here.
Okay. So what you guys think, man?
Wicked ride, awesome ride. With the wait. Waited 2 hours is well worth it.
It was mental, man. When you're waiting up there, you're looking down, and then all of a sudden it curves more in. It's not a 90, bro. It's more than a 90 degree. It's mental. It's mental.
Good ride, man. Ride it again, for sure.
All right.
All right.
Appreciate it, fellas.
Take care. Take care.
Thanks a lot.